As we watch these glowing text keywords dissolving into an interconnected web of nodes, we are seeing exactly why your blog traffic has dropped. Traditional SEO fails today because search engines no longer rely on standalone keywords. Instead, AI platforms read the internet by looking for entities. An entity is a precise, verifiable person, place, or thing, with clear, factual relationships to other concepts. Over the next 6 minutes, you're going to build your foundational entity inventory, and you will completely optimize a single web page so AI systems can extract its facts perfectly. To start, download the spreadsheet template linked in the description and open up an existing blog post in your content management system so we can edit it together. By shifting your focus from vague keywords to strictly defined entities, you ensure your content remains visible and citable in an internet landscape summarized by machines. This image of a player looking out over the illuminated stadium pitch establishes our focus for the day. We will use the professional cricket gear niche to build out our example. Open that downloaded entity inventory spreadsheet and let's log your first item. This spreadsheet diagram shows exactly how to format your data. We are cataloging a premium cricket bat. You enter the canonical name as SG Cobra Gold, note the common synonym, Cobra Bat, and include its unique external Wikidata ID. This completed row now serves as your strict, unchanging source of truth. Every time you write about this specific bat on your website, you must align entirely with these exact details. Now go to your open blog post. Delete the first sentence and rewrite it using a strict who, what, and where structure based on your inventory. This side-by-side text comparison shows the difference. Instead of a vague opening like Best IPL Bat, we explicitly define it. The SG Cobra Gold is a premium cashmere willow cricket bat manufactured by Sans Perel's Greenlands. Notice the text behind the speakers in this image. It reads, Board of Control for Cricket in India. Always expand your acronyms on the first mention. AI systems cannot accurately infer their exact meaning without proper context. Forcing a strict, factual definition into the very first line allows the AI to immediately categorize your page accurately without having to guess your intent. AI cannot easily extract facts from dense walls of text. It requires a clean, predictable structure to parse the data. Break up your formatting. Add explicit H2 headings, use numbered lists for sequential steps, and include a dedicated FAQ section with 3 to 5 direct answers. This animated diagram shows pricing text reorganizing into a clean comparison table. If comparing the SG to an MRF bat, pull details out of paragraphs and format them like this so AI can scrape exact numbers. Next, we address credibility. Google relies on experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness, or EEAT. Human credibility is a required signal for an AI to trust your facts. This mock web page author bio highlights exactly what you need to do. Update your page's publish date to today and expand the bio to include verifiable expertise, like Vikram Sharma, ex-cricket coach. Do not use fake authors or generic personas. AI systems actively cross-reference identities and track author citations across the web to calculate trust scores. Combining a clean data structure with verifiable authorship proves to the AI that your page is a reliable primary source worth citing. Step 4 translates your newly structured on-page text into machine-readable JSON LD schema code. You do not need to write this from scratch. Use a free online schema generator to create the code block, then paste it directly into your website's header or backend settings. This validator interface mockup displays a zero errors success message. Always run your generated code through a free testing tool to ensure search engines can read it. For the final step, you have to connect this isolated page into the broader entity graph using smart links. This diagram, resembling the Mumbai local train network, demonstrates the hub and spoke strategy. Link your highly specific current page, the spoke, back to a broader category page on your site, like a central cricket gear guide hub. Then add one external link pointing out to a highly authoritative source, such as the official BCCI website or the specific item's Wikidata entry. This anchors your local content to established global facts. Valid schema code and authoritative links upgrade your standalone web page into a verified, connected node within the global AI knowledge graph. This vibrant Ganesha idol covered in flowers marks the successful completion of our workflow. You have hit all 5 optimization steps, and your page is now fully AI ready. To test your work, copy your updated text, paste it into ChatGPT, and ask the model to summarize the key entities. If it accurately returns your specific definitions, your structure is solid. Your goal for the next 30 days is to scale this process. Identify the top 10 entities in your niche, define them in your inventory sheet, and repeat this exact page structure across your website. Drop a comment below with the very first entity you mapped out today. As you plan your next pages, try using a tool like Ubersuggest to identify secondary topics to fold into your entities. Mastering this level of entity-based SEO guarantees your content remains readable to human visitors, while actively feeding the exact answers recommended by the machines of tomorrow.